Ever wonder which ad platform brings more customers to your shop? Google or Facebook? I ran campaigns on both platforms for my client shop, and the result was shocking. Today I'm not just sharing my opinion, I'm showing you the numbers. It's real results, real data. By the end of the video, you will know exactly where your ads dollars work harder and how to avoid wasting your budget. Let's start with what I actually ran. I tested 3 Facebook campaigns. They got decent reach and some clicks, but only one actual customer inquiry came in. Total spend $134.98. So that's 100 plus per lead, not great. Now let's look at Google Ads. With a similar total spend, you can see the cost per lead is only around $20. That's a huge difference. To visualize it, if you spend $1,000 on ads, Google could bring around 50 inquiries. With Facebook, you might not even hit 10. This difference comes down to user intent and how each platform works. Google Ads show your shop when someone is actively searching. Say someone types car AC repair near me. Your ad shows up right at the moment of need. These leads are high intent. They want the service right now. Facebook ads, on the other hand, are more like digital billboards. People see your ad while scrolling through their feed, maybe laughing at memes or liking cat photos. They are not necessarily thinking about car repairs. That's why response rates are lower. The intent isn't there yet. And this isn't just my experience. Here's what national research says. The average cost per lead for auto repair on Google Ads is around $21, while Facebook's average is closer to $59. In terms of conversion rates, Google Ads in the auto repair category convert at about 12.6%, while Facebook hovers around 5.3%. It means more of Google's clicks turn into real customers. And businesses overall, according to a 2025 survey, 76% of small businesses said they were satisfied with their Google search ads. Nearly half also said they plan to increase spending on search ads this year. Why? Because search ads bring customers ready to buy. Now, I'm not saying only use Google, forget Facebook. Facebook ads do have a place, especially for branding, promoting seasonal offers, or running local retargeting campaigns. But if your main goal is getting more customers immediately, Google ads have consistently delivered better results in both my own experience and across industry data. Even if Facebook looks cheaper upfront, you may end up paying more per real customers. Here's what to remember. Facebook reaches people casually scrolling. Google reaches people actively searching for help. Ad performance depends on the user's intent. Cost per qualified lead, Google wins. If your goal is get more calls or bookings now, Google is the better bet. That's it for today's video. If you find it useful, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and stay tuned. I'll keep sharing real numbers and simple strategies that actually work for your auto repair shop. Thanks for watching.